When it's super hot outside, can the solar panels crack if you hit them with cold water? Now everybody knows that when you pull a freshly cleaned glass from the dishwasher, it cracks if you immediately fill it with cold water. It's called thermal shock. So when I saw this question, my first reaction was, well, yeah, of course. But after thinking about it more, I realized that I'm not actually 100% sure that the solar panels are made from the same sort of glass that like drinking cups are made from. So I decided, why not do some actual research? And by research, I mean, searching Google and asking my friends who also have solar panel cleaning businesses like me. And if you haven't started your solar panel cleaning business, but you want to, I can relate, because at first I was nervous too, and I wasn't sure where to begin. I wasn't even sure how I was going to get my first customer. And if that is you, then check out the link in the description. There you're going to find my complete training. It's everything that I've learned over the past 4 years in an easy to follow format with videos, pricing guides, and even all my proven marketing strategies. So it's clear, concise training that you don't have to learn the hard way or the expensive way like me, and avoid all the mistakes that I made early on. And enroll today. There's still a few spots left at this price. There is a $100 discount code linked down below, but it'll expire soon, because once all the spots are filled, we're going to be adding more content, and then we're going to raise the price. But if you enroll today, you'll still have access to all the future updates to the training. So with that being said, here's what I learned. Solar panel glass is incredibly strong. So if you've seen this video of mine, then you know what I mean. The photovoltaic modules are fabricated using commercial grade tempered glass, which is way more resistant to breakage than normal glass. However, although the glass is designed to withstand heavy use, it still can break. It doesn't happen very often, but if you understand what compromises the integrity of the solar panels, with that knowledge, that'll help you prevent potential damage to your customer's investment. So the answer we've all been waiting for is yes. Thermal shock, which is what happened to the drinking glass from earlier, can crack solar panel glass. Now, tempered solar module glass, despite its strength, is also vulnerable to thermal shock. And consequently, if you need to clean the dirt and debris off a customer's panels, you gotta be careful with your timing. Since the water coming from the supply is probably gonna be cold, you don't want to wash the solar panels when the sun is really high up in the sky. At that time of day, even during the winter time, the glass could be hot enough to crack. And surface temperatures are always going to be higher than the ambient temperature. And surface temp can typically raise or be higher than the ambient temperature by 15 to 30 degrees, depending on the season and the location. So that's pretty excessive. Instead, if you got an appointment to clean on a high temp day, schedule it for the early morning or evening when the modules are cooler. I prefer early mornings, but some roofs can still be slick with dew. So timing is really of the utmost importance. After asking this question to a few buddies in the business, they said that they've heard of it happening, but it seems very unlikely with professionals, because none of them has ever had it happen to them directly while cleaning for a customer. Most panels seem to be they're designed to withstand extreme weather. I saw one article said that most PV panels can withstand hailstones up to 1 inch in diameter. So that's pretty big. That's a little bigger than a quarter, right? So they're fairly durable. I mean, the guy from one of my videos was walking on them and they never broke. He said he's been doing it for 10 years or something like that. Now, I don't recommend doing this, but it just goes to show that the PV modules are designed and manufactured with durability in mind. So best practice would be to treat the panels like a hot glass from the dishwasher. Avoid thermal shock by gradually raising the temperature of the water by putting it into the glass, essentially, or on the glass of the panels, right? You can do this a number of ways. You can load up the hose, let it sit on the roof for a little bit, and then that'll warm up the water. I use a black rubber hose, so it heats up the water pretty well. If that helps, but really just kind of don't do it in the middle of the day. So again, avoid thermal shock by gradually raising the temperature of the water before putting in the glass, or empty the dang dishwasher and put the cups in the cupboard already. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Remember, anything's possible. And if you guys are interested in learning more, check out the links in the top description below before all the cheap spots run out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.